Top 10 e-commerce website hosting providers. If you're wondering how to sell goods online from your website, these reviews of the best e-commerce hosting firms for 2021 and beyond should come in handy. Before we begin, please click on the bell icon to receive updates on new and exciting videos and to subscribe to this channel. This is our list of the top 10 e-commerce domain hosts for an online store. Something to think about whether you're building a new site or relocating an existing one. Good website hosting services are often the first place to start when it comes to building online shops, as most come pre-installed with top e-commerce website builders that can be installed with the click of a button. A safe and stable website is essential for avoiding headaches later on, although pace is an extremely important detail for both confidence and consumer service. Based on my experience and analysis, the providers listed here are among the best web hosting firms. While saving money is vital, and while you can get away with a cheap hosting company for a personal or information site, choosing one of the best becomes more important when you're doing online business and selling goods and services via an online store. What makes a good e-commerce host? Certain aspects of a successful e-commerce host are critical factors when you intend to sell goods or services online. Security, speed, reliability, great customer service. Below is the list of top 10 website hosting providers for e-commerce. Number 10. SiteGround. SiteGround, one of the world's most common web hosting services, offers e-commerce options ranging from low-cost pooled storage to versatile cloud or dedicated server bundles. If you're looking for the best e-commerce hosting in the UK, USA, Europe, or Asia-Pacific region, you've come to the right place. The business has data centers in London, Chicago, Amsterdam, and Singapore, and you can pick the one that's most convenient for you and/or your clients. This will aid in delivering the fastest website performance, and short web page load times will make a significant difference when selling online. SiteGround's website contains a wealth of information about the different platforms used for setting up an online store. At the time of writing, there are 18 e-commerce applications available for one-click installation in cPanel, and these web hosts suggest WordPress and Magneto, with each receiving special attention on their website. Number 9. WordPress and WooCommerce hosting. Kinsta. Despite being one of the world's leading web hosting companies, with clients including Fortune 500 companies and major global brands such as Ricoh and Intuit, their users are not limited to those with large budgets. Their rates begin at $30 or about £25 a month, and that low cost is accompanied by incredibly strong, fast level of support. Their storage is built on the Google Cloud platform, and how often do you see the Google website go down? And has a choice of over 20 data centers around the world, allowing you to select the place nearest to the most regular, significant guests to maximize page load speed. They still have a variety of monitoring mechanisms in operation, including routine backups and uptime checks every 2 minutes. Their customer service is fantastic, and guided conversion to their hosting is a very useful choice if you already have a website hosted elsewhere. Number 8. Koalo. This eco-friendly hosting firm with offices in the UK and the United States is a recent addition to the list and seems to be a hidden gem. We discovered Koalo while researching the best green web hosting firms around the world and scrutinizing genuine environmentally sustainable promises and activities. Koalo came out on top with only 2 other services, and our assessment of their support for the sites we have migrated to them is unequivocally 5-star. They provide low-cost web hosting for anything from small business websites to major e-commerce stores running leading platforms like Magento, OpenCart, or PrestaShop, as well as WooCommerce via WordPress. So far, the WordPress websites we've migrated there have run incredibly fast. We're simple to set up easily with cPanel hosting, and the service has been stable with no problems. 6 months in at the time of writing in 2019. Visit their website to learn more about Koalo web hosting. We think they're fantastic and highly recommend them. Number 7. Bluehost. In terms of customer experience and ease of use, Bluehost is definitely deserving of a place on my list of the best 10 e-commerce hosting companies I've used to date. When I first joined them, I signed up and paid online, and not long after that, within 24 hours I believe, I got a phone call from them asking how I was doing. I'd never seen anything like this before, and was much more surprised that they took the time to contact me through my working hours. When I needed technical assistance, Bluehost was incredibly professional and supportive, and I considered them to be fast and easy to work with. I've only used their standard web hosting packages so far, but they seem to be decent value and often have promotional deals going. When searching for the right e-commerce hosting companies for your online shop, I would definitely include them on my shortlist. Their positive feedback seems to be well-deserved. Number 6. iPage. The e-commerce hosting solutions from iPage are specifically outlined on their website and are highly reviewed by many website reviewers. Unique solutions and guidance are available for the ShopSite online shopping cart system, PayPal for credit card payment, and SSL certificates for consumer protection. Number 5. Klook. Another website host of servers in the United Kingdom, I successfully operated an e-commerce platform for a retail customer at Klook. Their servers are configured to support a wide variety of common e-commerce solutions, including Magento, Zencart, OpenCart, and Xcart systems for stable payment processing. Number 4. LayerShift. LayerShift is home to many of the world's largest businesses, provides e-commerce web hosting tools and advisory websites. LayerShift provides a simple installation, controlled hosting facilities, and 24/7 support for the Magento open-source e-commerce site, which is a common option for major online retail companies. There's an automatic data backup every 6 hours available as part of their e-commerce hosting protection solutions. Number 3. Rackspace. Rackspace web shop options for broader e-commerce companies provide a variety of managed platforms, plus they're cloud hosting platform experts. The business provides Linux and Windows cloud servers for sites ranging from low traffic and storage requirements of 1 GB of RAM to intensive requirements of 120 GB for large, high-traffic websites. Without my knowledge, one of my former employees was using Rackspace to host its own pages as well as applications for several global blue-chip retailers. Are you looking for a green hosting provider for your online store? Rackspace was one of the only 3 companies to receive a 5-star rating in the Good Tech Guide ranking of the best green web hosting services after analyzing the eco-credentials of many hosts who advertise themselves as environmentally friendly. Number 2. EKM PowerShop. There are over 150 website models for the eStore at the time of writing, and there are many helpful features that make the framework easier for both the user and the company owner, such as social media advertising tools, eBay integration, live chat access, customer address checking, and multi-currency displays. You'll host an infinite number of brands on your site with this provider, as well as install blogs, advertising stickers, and consumer loyalty programs. Number 1. Shopify. This all-in-one e-commerce website software and online store hosting solution was powering billions of dollars in revenue across over 1 million shopping pages at the time of publishing. Having a full online shop solution like this means that all facets of the e-commerce infrastructure are compliant and run well together. It's easy enough for beginner website users to set up and use, so the eShop user does not need to hire expert web developers. Even much of the site design is handled, so all you'd need to produce a slick experience for your guests is a graphic artist to assist you with a business logo. Shopify online shops are smartphone-friendly right out of the box, which is one of the advantages of using one of the more advanced e-commerce sites. This will be an easy, simple, and stable option for most users looking to build a low-cost, turnkey e-shop, which will be updated as your needs expand. It includes a variety of creative online shopping resources, such as gift cards and purchasing journey analytics. Security in the online shopping experience is at the heart of Shopify's functionality, and it's PCI compliant. There's also an iPad point-of-sale add-on to make smartphone e-commerce even better for certain customers. If you value an easy-to-use, integrated solution when selecting the right e-commerce hosting company for you, Shopify might be a good option. If you were searching for recommendations of the best e-commerce web hosting firms for 2021 and beyond, we hope the information above was helpful. Good luck with your sales.